In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean and completely waterproof your tile, tub, or shower surround. So I'm going to see how this does, and just try not to scrape the tile. Carefully start to remove that caulking. So this section right here, this tile, is a good example of how you want it to be. Nice and clear, right down to the original grout. So I'm going to use caulking remover on the verticals here against this, but I'm going to be really careful not to get it on the tub because it does say not to use on painted, refinished, or varnished surfaces. I'm scraping the tile first, and then I'm scraping the metal carefully, and then just digging in there like that. It's coming right off. I think it definitely comes off of the tub easier than it comes off the metal. All right, I got all the caulking out of here. Now I want to clean everything as best as I can. Really gonna concentrate here. So this is working. Look at this line. It brightens up. This is GE Supreme silicone. I'm gonna use this for one small part of this, but for the rest of it, I'm actually gonna use this. This is 100% silicone. It is just color matched to this grout, which is DeLorean gray. I'm just gonna go up to these tiles right here and run a bead all the way down. Now I'll do the back of the glass door track. And then just a small bead here. So I'm gonna wait for this to dry, preferably 24 hours before I seal the grout. But the most important thing when you seal is to make sure everything is clean and dry and free of debris, because whatever you seal on here, it's gonna stay there. Now I'm gonna take my towel and just wipe down everything lightly, very gently. Just get the big stuff off. Spread it around evenly. Yeesh. Now we gotta let that dry for about 2 hours. And we can put a second coat on it. Between 1 and 3 coats is probably good, but we can test in between to see how it's sealing. I'm gonna put these doors back in and caulk in the bottom track here and wrap this up. So if you needed to clean and reseal your tub or shower surround, I hope this video helps. We'll see you on the next one. Now I just gotta clean these shower doors. They're nasty.